Right, we're getting some bird's eye chilies. Very hot.
Spicy.
Thank you very much. In the middle.
How many are we getting?
Coke is free.
Well, no, we want 4 because you know we're all.
Are you doing it as well?
Yeah.
You doing chili challenge?
Why are you getting that one?
Sick.
Why are you getting?
Fine then, get the purple one.
Yes. That's how we roll.
Right, go.
Four.
That way it rolls. 49p.
Fucking hell, these 4p.
Get one each. 4p.
That's the cost of a bloody... Oh my god. Right, it's quite heavy now.
That's like the cost of a flipping...
Here we are walking towards public gardens.
Ringing me.
You actually recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
Let's flipping do this.
very nice day to do this challenge.
Dib seems to have a phone call.
Chilies. As you can see, they are not runner beans. They are in the packet. And
Oh, we bought 2 packs of chewing gum.
do it.
Oh,
Oh well.
stuff that. Right.
And it does say you do have to wear gloves.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you opening them then?
Right, basically, these are finger chilies. It says they're 4 very hot, which is the second
Bird's
from
eye.
last, and they're bird's eye.
Which bird's eye is
And
pretty bad.
They're green, which is worse. Basically, it says you've got to wear gloves, so you're not risking it. And these are factory filled, they are not rubber beans, whatever they're called, runner beans.
Right, just to mention as well, the reason why we're wearing gloves is because we're going to wipe
getting
our
our eye.
Just make sure you take those off as soon as you eat.
Alright. Basically, it'd be alright if you touch the stalk, probably.
Nah, I'm not taking any.
Basically, you've got water. got the milk. Are they open? Are they?
Reese, I've already got some.
Oh, thanks.
Why is there 70 lids on the floor?
We're going to shove this in our mouth, and this is very
Okay.
hot chili, apparently.
Good.
Bird's eye.
Oh, crap. I can't fit them in.
Give it a minute.
Oh, faggot. It's not higher.
Right. What?
Look at that.
Come on, bring it.
Give it a minute, mate.
Water, Sam.
Yeah, milk. Milk.
Milk.
Take your glove off.
Are these meant to be hot?
Quick, take your glove off. What the hell is wrong with you, Rick?
What is wrong with you, Reece?
My mouth is
hot, but I can flipping...
Fuck.
Sam, your milk.
No, fuck milk, disgusting.
Fine then.
Milk don't taste milk.
Are you like immune, Reece?
What is wrong with you, Reece? Please, have some more. How was it, Sam?
Oh,
good milk now.
Milk is fucking disgusting.
How was it, Reece?
It's getting hot now.
It's alright. Are you okay? Do you want to? Have you had some milk?
Oh.
Milk? Milk, Kelly? Good drink. Sam, have some chewing gum.
I need some chewing gum. Brief. Shall I stop?
Your eyes are so...
Chewing gum doesn't help.
That's why I gave it to you. Nice, guys.
Hey, come on.
No, it's really good milk. Pretty good milk, actually. Quite nice.
I might have some milk.
Do like a good bit of milk.
It's getting better, I think.
Yeah, I'll start wearing up on it.
My hands go tingling. Oh, my hand. Oh. My hand's got all tingly.
Your hand's gone tingly. Yeah, it will do it properly.
I need no tunes on.
Oh, you dropped it on the bag.